that's all the LED channel or profile in. My issue that I have now is I want to fit this LED tape, but because my power supply is up at the top, all hidden out the way, my sensor will be mounted here. That is then the plug or supply to my LED tape, and because the plug is at the end, which is where I want to be starting my run of tape up and over, I'm going to have to move this connection further down the tape, so I'll have to desolder that, and I've marked up on my tape the middle point, which should be sat up here. So I'll solder that bit onto there, just so it's all tucked up neat and out the way. So we'll have a go at getting that done. Right, so that's the connection moved into the middle of the LED tape. I'll put some power to it now just to show that it's working. And as you can see, it's lighting up both sides of the LED tape, so yeah, we're good. So now I can put that in my wardrobe.